Fuck! Wala akong ganon damage. Hindi pa ako bursty. Okay. Switch to left-handed preset. Okay, we're good. Here we go. Ban Lux because Lux is annoying. Ayan, good din pala sa'yo, Boss Creo. Oy, hindi ako si Boss Creoles, ha? Hindi ako si Creoles. Have you seen me? Yeah, MVP. I have protection. It's fine. Ay, wala! Alright, here we go. Body's on the line now. Okay, since I'm parang nasa low priority queue ka. Parang ganun. Tapos, burado lahat ng protection marks mo. Bura lahat yon. Parang yung sa akin. Kasi nag-AFK ako. Tapos,
wala na, hindi pa tayo sa depression eh.
Pride ang pinaglalaban ko dito.
Ay.
Ayoko matalo.
Ano rule ko? Support ka, Giyang. Support ka.
Ayan, ongoing na pala. Yeah, ongoing na. Kami actually, ako, si Giyang, si Degree, si Creole, si Coach. Oh, okay. Okay. I know you guys can join me, by the way. You guys can join me. We're gonna start playing Showdown, the newest game mode for Wild Rift right now. Yan. Sobrang late na kasi ako nakapag-stream. Hindi na rin ano. Yeah, let's just turn that off. We have 2 more. Can go for sino bang magandang i-jungle dito? Ano yun? Nag-clone? Ah! Masakit! Oh my, wala. Okay lang yan. Okay lang. Teemo jungle. Last resort ko Teemo pero Baron lane eh. Ayan. Patapusin muna natin sila. Masyado silang magaling. Sabi yan. We still ahead. It's fine. Oh my god. Kainis. Hinugot ni Lucian dinala sa akin. Both objectives are secured. Champs. Kasi uso dun yung ano, since uso nga dun yung ano, uso nga sa Master Up yung mga carry champs na. Most likely magi-squish yan. Isa o dalawa lang dyan yung tank. Hello, Trinda. Hello, Trinda. Here we go. Alright, Vince Ryan Balye. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Eisenhart. Welcome to the stream. We are back at it again, playing Wild Rift. This time, we are back
to have competitive play that reaches from the store level all the way up to
God damn, this is just only 4 minutes. Parang kanina pa tayo naglalaro.
We will invest in Project K and make it worthwhile for you.
Wala ka sunod.
Pala.
Pati ka ha.
Deg, mo enjoy ka. Oh.
Nag-enjoy ako eh.
Go to your viewers na naka-stream sniping.
Op, nakapush yung Trinda. Good. Okay lang yan. We're good. Nakapush yung Trinda. It's fine. That's all that matters.
Ang best na 2 OP! Kami ako. Ari,
Layo ko.
Di na ako susunod.
Wala. My bad. He's down. Oh, nag-elder sila. Nakapag-elder sila. Sige. Yun oh. Meron pang malaking wave dun sa taas. I can just push that. We're gonna go for ano. Wait lang. Save me. Good. I'm on my way. Hello. Wait lang. Caitlyn is there. Kiting. Naku po, Jin. Naiiwan tuloy yung Seraphine. May isa na namang makakagat dito eh. Op, ang dami nila masyado. Ayoko muna sumugal. Ang dami nila masyado. Huwag ka muna dyan. Mechanics, 5v5 best of 3. Kailangan may isang victor sa team nyo. If you beat us in a best of 3 match, your whole team wins 1,850 wild cores each. Each China is not better than global because it has so many restrictions. It has skins that aren't available in global. Red key na natin to. Ay hindi, mapupuno na rin pala yung blue cane ko eh. Sige. Nalibad ba rin ako dun sa Diana? I'll drive. And one final push to the enemy Nexus.
Ikaw na kumahan ng top oh. Tara, top side. Oy, patay yata ito, Ringar! Tara, patay yung Ringar. Kaya ko tower dive yan. Titising ko yan.
Nice.
Sa inyo.
Nice.
Boom.
Eto. Against Caitlyn. Magagamit nyo for the Blackout Kickoff event happening in Bridgetown on November 7. So, congratulations. I'll see you guys there. Ayan, salamat sa pagsali. Jinx, Vi reunion. Pero, you know, I think he was possessed by the Hextor. Okay, here's my explanation of the whole thing. Okay. Karma? Oh, against Twisted Fate. Ooh, okay. Good matchup. Kaso Camille against the Riven.
Me. I should check that my parents' apartment didn't get damaged. Then I'll see you two later.
Bye, Echo.
There we go. Kasi ako pag naglaro ako hindi naman more on FPS issues pero Nagpiping issues pa rin ba? What's up, Kuya Aizen? Uy, hello, hello. Welcome to the I'll just ward this one. Wards on this one. Delete their wards on this one. Okay. Okay na to. Yan. Hey, thank you for the victory, man. Boss, okay lang ba kung solo queue jungle sa master? Solo queue jungle sa master? Pwede naman. Kung kaya mong mag-carry. Why will you be willing to pay something that you can get for free? Kung yung iba nga nakakuha ng 50 to 100 codes.
Napasaya lang natin yung mga viewers natin kaya ako kayo tinitipihan. Yun lang yun. Okay?
Yung mga viewers. Sinisi sa mga viewers.
Kasalanan nila yun. Okay, yun lang yun.
Yung. That's fine. We're gonna secure dragon. And health. Reroll in again. Para sa show. Manggugulo lang ako dun. 2-0 kami. Grabe. Ayaw kami paalisin ng base. Ayaw kami pagbigyan sa objective. Ayaw kami do the laser like that. So auto aim. And then manual. Wait lang. Ano lang natin. If it ain't broke, bro. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Ano lang pa sa server natin, quiz? Kakaplat ko lang kagabi. Kasi kagabi lang din ako ulit bumalik ng rank. All right. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Eisenhart. Ayan. What is up, bossing? Hello, hello. Okay na. Hindi na, tapos na. Next, tapos na. Na-roll na natin. Nandito si Erlin, nakita ko na siya. Okay, so add mo na lang ako, boys. Add mo na lang ako, boss pala. Add mo na lang. Okay, mamaya I'll explain. Kunin ko lang yung mga names nyo. Ayan, tapos, ayan, Idomo X Desu. Okay. Yeah, but Dun pa lang sa music video kasi ng enemy, yung sa animated version ng music video. Mapupush nila.
Uy, gago, may pink words. Ah!
Wala.
Wait, mahirap pa.
Wala.
Uy, Gogi!
Patay ako. I'll be level 5 in no time. And I have my magic boots. Lakas ng Yasuo, ah.
Good evening.
This is Dr. Koren Revik. Yeah.
How do you do it?
Slow. There we go. I'm dead. Ooh, nice. Good ult. Oh my god. Tamaan ako ng bato. Sige, patay siya. Nice. Good. Ilapit nyo. Naku, mukhang matatalo pa tayo, ah. Kailangan lang lumapit ng Darius kasi tanky na siya, eh. May mga nambobomba pala. Okay. So everything that we're seeing here. So, okay, so everything that we're seeing here is still considered Ganon, but yeah, I only got the gauntlet. Hindi ko na nakuha yung buong yung buong bundle, pero yep. Disappear. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, salamat. Snowballed early, bro. Riven is 10-1. They already snowballed early. Yeah, bad first game, bad first game. Hindi na rin. Baka may Rengar na naman.
Ano ba pangalan ng
Creoles, doon ka lang sa likod ko, ha?
Aizen, coach! Aizen!
Ay, sorry.
Aizen, coach! Chrono break. Ayan, okay. Apat na. Isa na lang. Isa na lang mga kaibigan. Larga na tayo. Ayan, thank you for the like, Wazder. Ayan. Yes. Meron na rin naman tayong ganyan. Yung mga chests. Cheetos. Hello, Cheetos. Cheetos. Resukirth. Birthday pala ni Ate Yuki. Wait, birthday ba ito nilagay niya? Alright, okay. And I think we're good. Ano yun? Na-knock up pala ako, sorry. Hindi tuloy ako nakapag-ult. Yeah, parang okay na tayo. Yes. Hindi pa pala. Ayan, kasi nag-out na naman siya. Nagasumpong talaga. Yun. Kaka-open ko lang ng Wild Rift. Wala pa. PvE pa lang to. Advanced server tayo. Deward din tayo dito. Para madilim. Ayun, nag-deward na din sila. Nice. Good job. First, ano pala namin yun? First dragon? It's only been 11 minutes? Eto. Punta tayo dito. Ayun, kasi andito na sila eh. Oh, I think Trin. Oh, tsa. Uy, Echo, mayos ka. Huwag kang lalampa-lampa. Mapapahiya tayo. And I have the blessing of the big boss himself, Riot Khan, for this. So, thank you, sir. Ayan. Hindi rin kasi, I tried to have the watch party sa Discord, kaso walang audio. Hindi ko naayos yun. Maybe it's not really a bomb has been planted. Boom. 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 What? Sakit ng ano. Oh, Tryndamere, blind. Wala siya magagawa. He's burning. Sila, masakit yung kaisa nila. Hindi ako pwede lumapit dun eh. Boots muna. Tapos attack speed, ayan. Ayan, Atome. Hello, Atome. Atome. There we go, third mark. Sige, paano lang tayo? Siguro last game ko na muna to. Last game. Tapos, Vlad mid is actually really good.
Build.
Okay, save ko na.
Caitlyn ka na, buddy.
Pwede yan,
Pwede yan. Pwede. Huwag ka muna antok, boss.
Ayun, si Bir.
Kayo mamaya.
Teka lang, naglalag ako guys.
Oo nga,
Load,
good.
load,
Teka lang,
Mamaya.
naglalag.
Pabal GM.
Welcome to the stream, boys. I appreciate you for stopping by. Kamusta? And from the other timeline more. Diba? Or kasi it was obvious that they are ayun oh. Oh, okay. Pero yun, okay, that's how you manually aim. No. Dito na tayo. Tap. Pandiward ah.
Okay, may red bomb ngayon.
Dito ako sa bot.
Wait lang, Scryers.
Magsisplit.
Okay, baron na pa. Oh, push
Sige.
mo na yan, di Chris.
Ulti up ah. Pero I'll be announcing the mechanics soon. Hello. Thank you for the what is this? What the hell is this? What is this? Is that a sticker? Is that a gift? I don't know. I don't really understand gifting dito sa TikTok. Hindi siya katulad dun sa stars sa Facebook. I don't really understand. Monitoring ko sa TikTok. I don't know why. But yeah. There we go. Oh. Naku, one orb na lang ako. I'm losing hope. And I'm already tilted as it is. Yun lang. Damn, lahat sila dito one. Soon, I'm gonna be streaming Valorant na rin. Gusto mo kayong project na ipa-shout ka sa kanya, no? Follow him on TikTok and on Facebook, Poyen. With a 3 for an E. With a 3 for an E. Wait, I'm here. Good side steps. Man, itong hayop na to. Hello, Trinda. Hello, Trinda. Here we go again. So we have to be fast. And on December 15, Ayan, so yung Blackout kasi is a tier 1 entertainment event. Since you guys all know I am part of Amplify, which is under tier 1. Ayan, so maglabas sila ng comics. MVP si Caitlyn. Nice. So, good. Deserve. Yeah, minsan kasi nangyayari to eh. Alo, may AFK warning ako nito. Pero sige, ibabawi natin yan. Warwick naman tayo eh.
Ano?
Kupal daw.
Kupal nga.
Kupal ka.
Kindred.
Parehas ang iniisip.
Kindred.
Nasa si Kindred.
Okay, jungle ulit tayo. Jungle Echo. Saya mag-jungle Echo eh. Kasi depende pa sa comp. Uy. Oh, tik wala na. Ah, yung Lux! Such a stupid champion design, bro. I can't. Right hand. Teka lang. Okay, here we go. Back to mid lane we go. Let's help Lilia. Si Lilia kung tapa yan dito. Teka lang. Oop, Jinx. Woo! Narinig ko na siya. Wala, para lang malayo. What the fuck? There we go. Wala akong Hex Flash. Wala rin akong mana. Sayang. Op.
Victor, pabot Victor.
Sige, takbo lang. Oh, tik na walang pa ng charge. Hiding behind the minion wave. May isang cannon siya. Op. Counter Victor. Yung hard counter, yung mga hard counter na champions kay Victor, madami. 'Di ba? Hindi lang si Mayone lang. And thanks. Oh, 100 viewers na tayo. Nice. Area na yon, mas matagal yung AOE. So that's basically how his ultimate works. Pero yun, if Arcane releases that extended cut between Echo and Jinx, people, Arcane is the best, and I'm saying this now. Arcane is the best video game based. Maglabas sila ng comics. MVP si Caitlyn. Nice. So, good. Deserve. Boy Vander is still alive. No. Pero kasi if they're gonna follow the thematic for Arcane, mas maganda to. Kasi, yeah, nag-embody pa rin. Yeah, minsan kasi nangyayari to eh. Alo, may AFK warning ako nito. Pero sige, ibabawi natin yan. Warwick naman tayo eh. Let me kill. Dalawa pa to. Oh, red card. Biglang wala, kanila na yung vision dito. So, I just have to go get this one. This side. The Avengers are here, bro. Savika! Okay, we're good. Fuck! Ito rin yung mga reactions. Okay, so, sakto sila dito. Binawasan ko lang ng isa kasi wala yun. Alam kong wala siya. Wait, alam, kasi part na siya ng tier 1, so unlock. Ooh, this is gonna be a good comp for Echo, bro. Oriana to a Seraphine to an Echo to a Varus plus Garen for tank. Yeah, this is gonna be a good comp for Echo. Okay. Pero, sige, Echo po. Puro Echo lang tayo ngayon. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. TF. Warded. Third kill. Fourth kill. And then the last final kill.